Oh boy, I'm so surprised. How this thing they carry two motor bag? This way they see now two this in the inside. See how water don't full where this time around. On our way. On our way to River State. So this is them after loading after they don't load this two buses inside this loading this in now. So they push up anything move. They won't cover. This water big. The last time I passed here, okay, maybe that time never they fall like this. Now I say everywhere. How much did they collect to cross motor for here? Is it 10,000? 10,000? Are you serious? To cross one motor, 10,000 naira. This is they make money. That's they do get it every day. And now this one carry two motor. So this two motor now are 20k. This is empowerment to business. 20,000 naira to cross one motor to the other side. I remember when they passed it, those days they collect 2,000 naira. Now 10,000 naira to cross. And this one now is carrying two. If they cross 10 vehicles, they did 100k. They are really making money. Because each bus where they cross here are 30. And this one now they carry two. They are 2 days, which is 20,000. So any day where they cross 10, 100k. You see the amount where these people they make for here. They carry two, you know, comfy move. I don't understand. They are trying to push it. You see, and all of them they push the thing to push them into the jeep. So we are there inside. I'm sitting one corner now, they cover waiting to happen. See this guy. They enjoy themselves here. So the thing don't they go? They don't push them in, they don't push them into the jeep. So the thing don't they go now. So they want to start the engine. Once they start the engine, I start hearing the noise. Like I say, this thing is carrying two of these buses are inside this. See Madam just enjoy herself here. You dey fear? You don't enter that before?
I stay here before.
I stay here before. Wow. You get some people they fear. When they enter this thing, they fear. Say they fear to cross water. But you know they fear again, but you are used to it.
I stay here for 5 years.
5 years? Wow.
That side of bush.
How's they there?
Plenty of people.
Even now, people there. Water no they disturb them.
They disturb them.
But they are still there. Wow. Can you say you sabi swim? So if this thing now fall inside, now how do you do?
God not help me, I will die.
You're not gonna die. Because you say you don't pay for years, so you are used to the water. Some people they fear to cross the river. You understand? That's why. Wow. It's such an experience anyway. I don't know why they choose to follow here. Now because the road is shorter. When they once they cross the water, they don't reach where they go. They don't reach Taraba State. So instead of passing the good road, which is Macaulay Road, they will just choose to pass this place. They're supposed to put bridge. I think you get where they walk do bridge for the other side of it. So government, you go take time. And again, they put bridge. These people where they collect 10,000 naira to cross motor, they are business don't cast. So they don't go like where they put bridge here because they make money here now. Yes. I don't say they go follow they delay the bridge. They don't go even want them. If they put material for now, they go cost steal them. Because it go cast their business. Now like this now. Now like this oh. Now like this oh.
Now that's speed one now. That's speed good.
Now you want put for here. You know how
the weight of this thing, no carry the weight of that one is small.
That one in money now, you know how much weight.
But this one when they do then try.
This one now local this thing they just do. They try well. They want to reduce. They pass like this before. Make I show people where they come from the other side.
Oh.
See them. We are going and they are coming. See them. Not be small. This water plenty, you big go. Very deep. Kai. I'm telling you. So like this now, we don't take off, we don't let go. This thing go feel reach like 45 minutes, abi? Then we reach the other side, 45 minutes. Or more, don't be small thing. Then inside water for 45 minutes, they move. 45 and 45 minutes now aeroplane they take land from Abuja to Lagos. 45 minutes. So that 45 minutes now we will stay on top of this water, trying to cross to the other side. I beg my people, not gonna pray for us. Pray for us. Pray for us. Oh no.
And I want to add the 2 motors at once.
Yeah, carry 2 motors at once.
Wait.